Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by accessing your Google account settings on the device. Open the Google app or device settings, tap your profile photo, then manage your Google account. Once in, go to Data and Privacy and locate Web and App Activity. This is where Google stores search logs. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you use multiple accounts, switch to the one you want to inspect before proceeding. That avoids confusion later. Once done, tap Web and App Activity and choose Manage Activity to load your search history. You can filter by date range or by product, pick Search to narrow results. Use the search box to look for specific queries or terms. Scroll through entries. Each item shows time and device. Tap any entry to see more details and context. If you want a timeline, use the filters to display 1 day or 1 month at a time for easier review. You can remove items immediately. Tap the 3-dot icon or remove on an entry to delete it. For bulk actions, choose Delete Activity by and pick a date range or all time to clear everything. If you want ongoing control, enable Auto Delete and set 3, 18, or 36 months. That keeps history manageable without manual effort. Troubleshooting tip: if history doesn't appear, confirm Web and App Activity is turned on and that you're signed into the correct account. Syncing or account mismatch is the usual cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.